Okay, well, this is an interesting one. San Huberto Bonarda. Now, a lot of you won't have heard of this variety. Most of you won't have heard of this variety. Argentina is very, very well known, primarily for premium Cabernet Sauvignon, which it does exceptionally well. And the variety, it's almost kind of courted as its own Malbec. And we're all drinking gallons of Malbec in this country. Argentinian Malbec is as popular as New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. It's just one of those things that's here to stay. And goes brilliantly with chili, with steaks, with roast beef. It's just one of those wines you kind of had to have in your rack. Bonarda? What's that then? Well, there's actually quite a lot of a couple of other varieties grown in Argentina, and they tend to be kind of slipped into blends to freshen them up and that sort of thing. And one of them is this, Bonarda. Bonarda is a great variety, actually, that if you actually look through the books, you'll find comes from north-central Italy in a very obscure region called Oltrepò Pavese. I did my research, and Bonarda in Argentina isn't the same grape variety as the Bonarda in Italy, which is very green, earthy. This wine has a lot more fruit to it. It's a nice fresh flavour. It's almost, I suppose, kind of like a Beaujolais for Argentina. It's not as heavy or serious and not designed to be Asian oak like Cabernet Sauvignon and Malbec is. It's got a lovely colour though. That's really attractive. You can imagine almost drinking this slightly chilled, maybe on the beach in Zapallar or Valparaiso or some other beautiful places around South America. The acidity really lifts this drink. This is a wine that you can have which doesn't decimate the delicate flavours of maybe roast chicken or quail or something like that. Kind of a wine you maybe start an evening with or take on a picnic. Great with cold meats, great with sausages. I can imagine that wonderful tank. Oh, that's really lovely. Really good example of Bonarda. And you can see how if Bonarda was blended into a wine like a Cabernet, it would just give it a kind of lift. But you don't often see it straight like this. Well played, San Huberto. Nice drink.